Explore the top cordless rotary tools for versatile and efficient crafting, DIY projects, and more. Our comprehensive guide showcases the finest cordless options, offering freedom of movement without sacrificing power or precision. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless rotary tools you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Depstech DC08, ranked as the 5th best selfie stick, this versatile cordless rotary tool is a powerhouse for DIY and home improvement projects. With 5 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, it offers precise control and can remember your preferred speed setting for up to 5 minutes, enhancing efficiency. Equipped with a 2000 mAh battery and Type-C charging, this tool ensures a longer runtime and hassle-free charging. Its wireless design liberates you from tangled wires, making outdoor work a breeze. Safety is paramount with Depstech. Its advanced safety mechanism reduces the risk of accidental stops, providing uninterrupted workflow. At 0.82 pounds and 8.8 inches in length, the DC08 strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. Its ergonomic design and ventilation system make it ideal for detailed work without causing fatigue. Included with 127 accessories, including a cutting guide, this kit caters to a wide range of tasks, from grinding to polishing. Priced competitively at $49. Discover the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit, ranked as the 4th best cordless rotary tool available. This versatile set offers a comprehensive solution for fine DIY projects, encompassing carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, and cutting tasks. With 61 popular power rotary tool accessories included, it's like having a complete toolbox at your fingertips, perfect for crafting resin creations and intricate designs. Equipped with 5-speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, this cordless rotary tool provides precise speed control, enabling safe and gradual sanding, even for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design ensures ultimate control and comfort, akin to holding a pen, ideal for intricate work. Featuring quick USB charging and a long 200-minute continuous runtime, the 3.7V rechargeable battery ensures stress-free and convenient operation. The LED indicator light signals when the tool is fully charged, while the upgraded design includes a blind spot lighting LED, minimizing backlight shadows for improved visibility in dark areas. Priced affordably at $24, this Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit offers exceptional value for hobbyists and professionals alike, providing versatility, precision, and convenience in one package. Experience the freedom of cordless convenience coupled with robust performance with the Apexforge M8, ranked as the number 3 best cordless rotary tool. Designed to meet your DIY and home improvement demands, the M8 boasts a keyless 3-jaw chuck for swift accessory changes ranging from 1/64 to 1/8 inch shank, eliminating the hassle of wrenches. Equipped with 100 accessories and attachments, including a shield attachment for safety, this tool tackles various tasks such as grinding, carving, polishing, and drilling with ease. Select 5-speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM to tailor the tool's performance to your specific project needs, ensuring precision and professionalism. With a 2.0 AH battery capacity providing up to 60 minutes of idling time and a battery indicator for precise monitoring, you can work confidently without fearing power depletion. Moreover, the included 1A quick charger minimizes downtime, enhancing productivity, priced attractively at $39. Introducing the Phalanx 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit, ranked as the number 2 best cordless rotary tool for its unparalleled features and versatility. This innovative tool transforms traditional corded designs into a wireless powerhouse, offering 12V of robust power with 6 adjustable speeds, reaching an impressive maximum of 32,000 RPM. Its gradual speed adjustment prevents accidental mishaps, ensuring precise control for intricate tasks. Equipped with a convenient keyless chuck, this tool effortlessly accommodates attachments ranging from 1/64 to 1/8 without the hassle of frequent collet changes. Crafted with ergonomics in mind, the Phalanx rotary tool boasts a slender 10-inch design, measuring just 1.4 inches wide and weighing a mere 1.38 pounds. Say goodbye to cumbersome tools and hello to effortless maneuverability. Included in this comprehensive kit are 119 accessories, a manual, and a durable case, all backed by a reassuring 1-year warranty. Priced competitively at $49 US. Say hello to the Dremel 7350, the ultimate solution for personalized DIY projects at an unbeatable price of $34 US. Designed to simplify and enhance your crafting experience, this cordless rotary tool is a game-changer in the world of DIY. With its latest battery technology, the 7350 boasts a remarkable 30% improvement in runtime compared to its predecessor, the 7300, ensuring less downtime and more productivity. Its lightweight design and smooth single-speed system, operating at 12,000 RPM, provide precise control, making it perfect for light-duty projects. Charging is a breeze with its rechargeable 4V lithium-ion battery and convenient micro USB charger, ensuring that you're always ready to tackle your next project. Plus, its cordless and portable design gives you the freedom to work anywhere, whether it's in your workshop or on the go. Despite its advanced features, the Dremel 7350 remains the lowest-priced rotary tool in Dremel's lineup, making it an affordable yet high-quality option for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts alike. Elevate your crafting game with the Dremel 7350 and unlock endless possibilities for creativity without breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.